Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the Keychron Q6 Max, a full-size custom mechanical keyboard that's been generating a lot of buzz. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a statement piece for your desk, blending premium materials with a host of customizable features. The Q6 Max boasts a 100% full-size layout, which means you get the familiar number pad and all the function keys you could ever need. It's built with a full metal frame, giving it a substantial, premium feel. The model we have here comes with Keychron brown switches, known for their tactile bump and relatively quiet operation, making them a great choice for both gaming and office environments. One of the standout features of the Q6 Max is its versatility in connectivity. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and a traditional USB-C wired connection. This means you can seamlessly switch between devices, whether it's your desktop, laptop, or even a tablet or smartphone. The wireless performance is solid, with a 1000 Hz polling rate ensuring minimal latency, even during fast-paced gaming sessions. But what truly sets the Q6 Max apart is its programmability. It's QMK and VIA compatible, which means you can remap any key, create custom macros, and tweak the keyboard's behavior to your exact preferences. The software is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to customize the keyboard on macOS, Windows, or Linux. The typing experience on the Q6 Max is exceptional. Keychron has implemented a double gasket design, which provides a cushioned feel and reduces vibrations. Combined with a multi-layer acoustic foam, the keyboard delivers a satisfyingly thocky sound signature that's both pleasing to the ear and minimizes distractions. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, allowing you to create a personalized aesthetic. You can choose from a wide range of colors and effects, and even sync the lighting with other devices. Overall, the Keychron Q6 Max is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-quality, customizable mechanical keyboard. Its premium build, versatile connectivity, and exceptional typing experience make it a top contender in its class. If you're willing to invest in a keyboard that can truly be tailored to your needs, the Q6 Max is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.